In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix website. Let's dive right in and make sure your site is managed as smoothly as possible. First, head over to wix.com and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, select the website you want to manage. By doing this, you'll be taken to your site's dashboard. This is your central hub where you can oversee all aspects of your website's performance and management. Next, we're going to open Roles and Permissions. Look over to the left sidebar and find the Settings option. Click on it and then scroll down until you see Roles and Permissions. This section is essential because it allows you to manage who has access to your site and what they can do. If you prefer, you can directly reach this section by heading to the specified URL, if that's more convenient for you. Now that you're in the Roles and Permissions section, locate and click on Invite People. Here, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to add as an admin. Once you've typed in their email, you'll then select the role you intend to assign to them. Providing the correct level of access is vital for maintaining the security and integrity of your website. When choosing a role, Wix offers a variety of built-in options to meet different needs. If you want someone to have full managerial abilities but not owner rights, selecting admin is your best bet. An admin can edit the site, manage the dashboard, and handle billing matters. Alternatively, you have roles like back office manager for managing store orders, or a blog writer / editor who focuses on blog content. Custom roles are also an option if you need tailored permissions, perhaps for SEO or content management. After you've assigned the appropriate role, it's time to click Send Invite. The person you've invited will then receive an email from Wix prompting them to join your team. They'll need to accept this invitation through their own Wix account or create one if they haven't already. Once accepted, your site will be accessible to them under the Shared With Me section of their Wix dashboard. Should you need to change someone's access or remove them entirely, you can easily manage your team by revisiting the Roles and Permissions section. You'll find a list of all